Origami Pin Wheel. It might look hard, but actually it's very easy if you do it with me. So the first thing we're going to do is on a line and bring it. Can you see this line in the middle here? Bring your paper all the way to the line. Once you think that you are at this line, you do the same thing with the other side. Once you are done, it will look like this. Okay. Now, what you want to do is, you want to take this side and this line in the middle here. You want to bring this corner paper all the way to the line then do the exact same thing. Okay. Once you're done, it look like this. Now, what you're going to do is, you see this line inside here. What you're going to do is, you're going to pull this out and it look like this. You stop. Do the exact same thing with all the other sides. Once you are done, it will look like this. And then here, this is so easy. What I want you to do is turn this one like this and turn this one like this. So it looks like a ninja star. So you can play with all your friends like a ninja in class. So my favorite part, you guys, was the part where I get it in the part and then you get to throw it at your friends and play ninja. And so comment down, you guys, which part is your favorite part. Anyways, check out the other video that we did if you want to know how to make a real balloon. And thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and see you at the next video.